Do you ever feel like something about your home just doesn't look quite right, even after all the effort you've put into decorating? Well, the truth is, there are a few common design mistakes that can instantly make a home look cheap. And most people don't even realize they're making them. In today's video, I'll share 10 reasons why your home might look cheap. And of course, how to fix them so your space feels elevated and stylish. 1. Too much clutter. Nothing makes a home feel messy and cheap faster than piles of stuff everywhere. A well-organized and clean space always looks more expensive. 2. Poor lighting. Relying only on overhead lights creates harsh shadows. Add lamps, floor lights, or warm bulbs for a cozy, high-end feel. 3. Cheap curtains or no curtains at all. Flimsy or too short curtains instantly bring a room down. Opt for full-length drapes hung high and wide to create an elegant look. 4. Matching furniture sets. Buying everything from the same set feels outdated. Mixing textures and styles makes your home look curated, not catalog bought. 5. Empty walls. Bare walls give off an unfinished vibe. Art, mirrors, or stylish shelves instantly elevate your space. 6. Worn-out rugs or no rugs. Old, stained, or undersized rugs make a room look neglected. The right rug adds warmth and ties everything together. 7. Outdated hardware. Cabinet knobs, faucets, and handles are small details, but they make a big difference. Swap them for modern finishes to upgrade instantly. 8. Cheap-looking decor. Plastic flowers, fake-looking materials, and dollar store accessories can cheapen the look. Invest in fewer but higher quality accents. 9. Ignoring curb appeal. First impressions matter. A messy entryway, peeling paint, or lack of greenery makes your home feel cheap from the outside in. 10. Neglecting maintenance. Peeling paint, squeaky doors, or broken fixtures all signal cheapness. Keeping things fresh and well-maintained makes your home feel more valuable. So there you have it. 10 common reasons your home might look cheap. The good news is, most of these fixes don't require a big budget. Just a little attention to detail. Which of these mistakes do you think you're guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more home styling tips.